How to fix this operation is not supported when reserved storage is in use error. The error often occurs because Windows is actively using reserved storage for system updates or other tasks. Simply waiting for these operations to finish can resolve the issue. If Windows updates are pending, they may be reserving storage, causing the error. Ensuring all updates are completed can free up reserved storage. If that didn't work, while this is not an optimal solution, pausing Windows updates could prevent this operation is not supported when reserved storage is in use error from appearing. Storage Sense, a feature in Windows, can automatically manage disk space, including temporary files, which might reduce conflicts with reserved storage. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.